Friends, on today's video, I am going to show you how to sort your Excel spreadsheet by date. It's a pretty easy process. Let's do it right now. Okay, so as you can see, I've made a really basic spreadsheet here in Microsoft Excel, and we're just showing some sales as well as some dates that those sales happened, and then totaling up the amount of sales here. So what I want to do is actually sort this so that the first date shows up top, and then obviously the most recent date shows down at the bottom. This is actually really easy to do, but there are a couple things you need to know. First, our date column has to be readable by Excel. So as you can see, I've used this specific format for my dates. Again, at this point, there's no year associated with this. It's just the day of the month and then the actual month that it happened. Now, if you want to reformat this to make sure it is readable by Excel, what you can actually do is just click on the column and then come over here to this little format option. You'll find this on our little home menu. So I'm going to click on that little down arrow and I'm going to get the format cells option. Once I click on that, make sure you are highlighted on the date option over here on the left. And then you can actually select the type of format that you want to use for your date. And again, doing this will ensure that Excel understands that that is a specific date. So again, this is the one that I like. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. All right, now from here, what we need to do is select the rows that we want Excel to sort. Now, you can actually do this if your entire table is full of the exact same data by coming up here and clicking on this little square. This will highlight the entire table. Now, obviously, we don't want to do that because we just want to sort these specific rows that have associated dates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click up here and I'm going to drag it all the way over so that all of this data is highlighted. Okay, once we've done that, then what we can do is we can come up here to our little data menu. Once I click on data, we have a number of different options, including this sort button. So once I click this, we're going to get some options that pull up. Now what I want to do is I want to use the date column. So I'm going to come up here to the column option. I'm going to use this down arrow and I'm going to click on date. Now again, this, as you can see, is associated with the column names that I have in row 1. So again, I want it to sort by that date column. And then you can also come up here and you can do oldest to newest, or you can switch that around where the newest would actually show up on top. Again, that works great for me, that specific default. Here are the arrows where you can come and you can do other specifics. Once you have that, you can come down here and click the OK button. And as you can see, it automatically is sorted. You can see all the associated data was actually sorted with it so that Joe is now on top and Jill on the bottom with her most recent sale. Friends, I hope that helps. The sort function is really, really helpful. You can use it on most of your data. If this has helped, hit that thumbs up button. Lets us know we're making good videos for you, and stay tuned. In fact, you may want to subscribe because we are making a bunch more Excel video tutorials and those are coming out really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching.